If your scissors are dull, have difficulty cutting anything, and you're about to throw them away, stop! I'll show you a super simple trick to get them as sharp as new, using just a used battery. Hello, nice to see you again on Great Tips channel. Scissors are a familiar tool in every family, from cutting paper, fabric, to food packaging. But over time, they will rust, the blades will wear out, and lose their original sharpness. Like this pair of scissors of mine, used for more than 2 years. Now even thin plastic bags can't be cut. Paper is torn to shreds. If you throw it away, it's a waste, and buying new ones is expensive. Don't worry, today I will help you restore them like new, both economically and effectively. Let's explore. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, we need toothpaste. This is not only a dental hygiene product, but also a great polish. Squeeze a little toothpaste onto the scissor blade. Use a toothbrush to apply it evenly on all 4 sides of the 2 blades. Do not use your hands directly to avoid scratches. Toothpaste contains micro-abrasive particles that act as mini sharpeners that gently wear away dull and rusty spots on the scissor blades, making the surface smoother and ready for the next sharpening step. Let the scissors sit for about 2 minutes, allowing the toothpaste to soften and loosen stubborn stains. While waiting, we prepare an old battery. Peel off the plastic outer layer to expose the metal layer. This metal part will help sharpen the scissor blades. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Place the battery core in the gap between the 2 scissor blades. When sharpening, note, the outer edge of the scissor blades has 2 bevels. We only sharpen the smaller bevel about 45 degrees. This is the main cutting edge. Place the battery in the correct position and rub back and forth about 30 to 40 times on each side. Important: do not use too much force and never cut directly into the battery, as batteries contain toxic chemicals. Only allow the metal surface of the pin to lightly touch the edge of the blade, creating enough friction to sharpen it. Also, never sharpen the flat side of the blade. This is the part that holds the blade angle, not the cutting part. Sharpening in the wrong place will cause the scissors to become duller. Always sharpen one side of the cutting edge at a time, focusing only on the thinnest edge at the top. When finished, wipe off the toothpaste with a paper towel. Now it's time to test. Cut a plastic bag. Paper or tissue. The scissors will glide smoothly and cut cleanly right away. But that's not all. If the scissors are rusty, we'll clean them right away to keep them sharp and shiny. Prepare a plate. Place the scissors in it and pour white vinegar over them. Then sprinkle baking soda evenly over the surface of the scissors. Wrap the scissors in 2 layers of paper towels so that the baking soda sticks firmly. Then pour more white vinegar onto the towel. At this point, a bubbling reaction will occur. The cleaning bubbles will penetrate every corner, breaking down rust and dirt. Leave for about 10 minutes. Then remove the towel. Use a brush to gently scrub to completely remove the rust. Wipe clean with a dry paper towel. You will see the scissors are shiny like new. No more rust and safe to use when cutting food or fabric. Now the scissors are not only shiny and beautiful, but also sharper and more durable than before. Instead of throwing them away, you have saved money and gained a new skill. So, we have just discovered a super simple but surprisingly effective scissor sharpening trick, helping dull scissors become as sharp as new in just a few minutes. Which of the above steps surprised you the most? Share it in the comments section so everyone can try it. If you know any other cool scissor sharpening tips, don't hesitate to reveal them. I'm always ready to learn more from you. If you find the video useful, remember to like and subscribe to the Great Tips channel so you don't miss out on these small but powerful tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next interesting videos.